Right, hello. Today I'm going to share with you 2 important resources that you need to be following. Right, these are going to help increase your knowledge of the platform. They're going to be helpful and they're going to help you stop making any mistakes that you might make. Trust me when I say there is so much information on here that if you do the proper research, these will be the only 2 resources that you need. Apart from bad bees. This page, obviously. Resource number 1, sex worker support page on Twitter. Now you need to make sure that you follow this page. It's a great resource full of a hell of a lot of facts about resources, about experience, about scams, everything that you could think of. She lists, and this is so necessary when you're starting up. Trust me, you will not regret it. Follow the page. I've seen people charge money for ebooks that don't have half as much information as she gives away. So definitely give that a follow, bookmark it. It's consistently updated, and yes, great resource. Number 2 is Onlyfans Advice on Reddit. I've talked about this one before, and the great thing about this, it's a great community which exists to help each other. What's important to mention here is that it is a safe space for creators, free from any negative influences, be they promoters or managers or people looking to take advantage of other creators. A great tool on here is the Verifying OF Creators tool. This helps weed out those fake scammers. If you ever have any question which isn't basic but is a bit more specific, or you have something brilliant to share, or you want to get the opinions of other creators, this is the place to go. It will become a lifeline for you. Go onto those 2 resources, do what is said, and you too can make a lot of money. So let's make a lot of money together. Peace. It's been lovely. It's been short.